Probably shouldn't have opened the door, but oh well. Let's do this.
Oh, it's a freaking lunger. Spider-Man.
Alright.
Oh, fuck.
Get
Hey.
off me! I just got all this health back. Get off
Oh
me!
shit, how do I get you out?
Ah,
Oh.
Ow!
through sheer
I
fucking
died.
will.
He shoots bombs. Damn.
Oh, actually, it did have a lot. The sensitivity. Dang. Dang. Never mind.
No, mine still feels crazy. I think there might be a different
Watch out for the
option on
birds.
game sensitivity.
Watch out for the birds.
Oh, the birds? Oh, shit.
Oh, the birds? The birds that I scared? God damn it, Kashaw.
He's down! He's down! Oh, the birds!
You did that
the
on
birds.
purpose, didn't you? You
I
did
did
that
not
on
mean to do
purpose.
Put me down, nerd! Put me down!
Oh, the birds? The birds
I
not
did
to
not
scare?
mean to do that.
Oh, shit. Oh, we're dying. That's what's going on.
Down but not owned.
I'm about to be fucking... Where are you, Kashaw? Dang.
Thanks playing the smart game.
Come save us.
He's climbing and then he's going down.
Oh, shit.
I got it.
He's
got
dead.
It, got it,
Go,
got it.
quick, save somebody. Preferably me. Oh, yeah, Kashaw. This is all started because of you. Oh, the birds.
Ah.